Dang, if I could get it off, y'all. Okay, yeah. Look how she can go with it. Aloe vera, y'all. That's what I'm gonna use to make my hand sanitizer. I don't know what they're doing. Okay. Making hand sanitizer. So, my dude's mom says that this is citronella. It naturally keeps away mosquitoes. This stuff is so sticky.
Just a hardcore nigga straight from the ham. Pretty much another quarter so that you might get, what is that other word?
You're on, just know that,
Correct.
Just know that you are on my Facebook story where you're doing your fun rap thing that
My
you're
game
doing.
show shit, like MC Shan got, he got the hip hop game show. That shit gonna be bang bang.
I guess.
That shit bang bang.
You're weird as fuck, bro.
Yeah. Boy, I dropped.
It was fun playing with it with my hands, but yeah.
Let's go. Let's get out, huh?
What?
It's because I'm not. This is 2-pack.
Well, a friend of mine knows how to make the kielbasa sauce. I'm sure you can make the kielbasa sauce yourself. You don't necessarily have to buy kielbasa sauce. We can make it ourselves.
No, I'm talking about the sausage.
Oh, yeah.
Making my sausage
Makes me
over.
happy.
I don't remember a lot.
No.
Not a lot. Just a little tad for taste.
No.
It's not.
No habanero in the kielbasa. No. I'm doing a video. Stop talking. Hence the dirty thing in the background. Dishes are being washed. But anyway. Hand sanitizer, y'all. Yeah. It also says that you can put your essential oils in it. I mean, it's completely up to you. To make it.
Trap it in there.
Trap it in there. So yeah. And we're done. Home ingredients, y'all. Stop freaking out at the stores.